Hey folks, my name is Kevin Douglas Berg. This is What Was I Saying blog KDB, and I do a weekly segment on EVs and the push for them. I did not speak of what it takes to create the batteries for these EVs, and I want to go into that. This will be the first video, and I'll do another video and discuss what happens. Mining rare earth elements for electric vehicles batteries, a layman's guide. The rise of electric vehicles has led to an increased demand for rare earth elements, which are essential for producing the powerful batteries that these eco-friendly cars fuel for these cars. But what exactly are REEs and how are they mined for EV battery creation? Let's break it down to simpler terms, shall we? Rare earth elements are a group of 17 metals with unique magnetic, luminescent, and electrochemical properties that make them a key component in many modern technologies, including EV batteries. These elements are not actually rare in terms of their presence in the Earth's crust, but they are seldom found in concentrated forms, which makes them challenging to extract. The mining process for REEs involves several steps. Exploration. Geologists search for mineral deposits with high concentration of REEs. Extraction. Once a deposit is found, miners extract the ore from the ground using various methods such as open pit mining or underground mining. We'll look into that further too. Crushing and grinding, part 3. The ore is then crushed and ground into a fine powder to separate the REEs from other minerals. Leaching. The powdered ore is treated with chemicals in a process called leaching, which dissolves the REEs. Separation. The solution is then subjected to a series of chemical processes to separate and purify the REEs from each other. Refining. The separate REEs are further refined to reach the desired purity levels required for battery production. One of the challenges in REE mining is the environmental impact, as the process can generate toxic waste and requires significant energy consumption. However, researchers are continuing to seek more sustainable and efficient methods to extract and process these valuable materials. In the context of EV batteries, rare earth elements like neodymium are used to create powerful magnets that are essential for the performance of the battery. The weight of the neodymium magnet in an average EV is little under 3 kilograms. It's important to note that the industry is also exploring alternatives to REEs in EV batteries. I told you, man, they want this shit bad. Innovations in battery chemistry and technology are leading to the development of batteries that use less or no rare earth elements, which could alleviate the environmental and geopolitical concerns associated with REE mining. In summary, mining rare earth elements is a complex process that plays a crucial role in the production of EV batteries. As the demand for electric vehicle continues to grow, which it doesn't, it was never there, falsely created, manipulated, market created out of nothing. So does the importance of finding sustainable ways to mine and process these critical materials. Isn't it easier just to get fuel like gas and diesel? Isn't it easier just to get oil? The future of EVs may depend on our ability to balance the need for these elements with the protection of our environment and communities. Let's go into the environmental impacts of rare earth element mining. The mining of rare earth elements, crucial for the production of electric vehicle batteries and other sustainable green technologies, has significant environmental implications. While REEs are vital for advancing sustainable practices, the process of extracting them can pose challenges to environmental conservation. One of the primary concerns is the generation of waste. For every ton of rare earth produced, the mining process yields 13 grams of dust, 9,600 to 1,200 cubic meters of waste gas, 75 cubic meters of wastewater, and 1 ton of radioactive residue. Isn't that pleasant? These byproducts can lead to air, water, and soil contamination if not managed properly. The dust and waste gas may contain harmful particles that can affect air quality and human health. The wastewater, often acidic and containing heavy metals, can pollute waterways and harm aquatic life. But I thought this is supposed to be good for the environment. Sustainable, right? The radioactive residue, a result of thorium and uranium naturally occurring in REE ores, poses risk of radiation if not contained correctly. The environmental impacts are also influenced by the geology of the deposit, the mineral type, and the extraction methods used. Open pit mining, one of the most common methods for obtaining rare earth elements, can lead to significant soil erosion, destruction of vegetation, and landscape alteration. This can result in the loss of biodiversity and disruption of ecosystems. Furthermore, the process of rare earth elements is energy intensive. It contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. The use of chemicals in the separation and refining process can also lead to environmental degradation if not controlled. Isn't that pleasant? In some regions, the regulatory frameworks may not be stringent enough to mitigate these impacts effectively. Despite these challenges, efforts are being made to minimize the environmental footprint of rare earth element mining. Technological advancements and stricter environmental regulations can help reduce waste and pollution. Additionally, the exploration of alternative materials and recycling of rare earth elements can alleviate the pressure on mining activities. Oh boy. The balance between the demand for REEs in green technologies, the need to protect the environment is delicate. I would say so. As the world moves towards a more sustainable future, bullshit, it's crucial to develop and implement mining practices that are environmentally responsible and economically viable. Open mining is horrible. Horrible. The worst brutal labor you'd ever see. I'll show you that. The legacy of rare earth element mining must be not compromised environment, but a testament to innovation and stewardship. So, you have the chemicals it produces, unfortunately. You have the CO2 that it emits. You have the gas that it takes to do this. We ain't even gone to the back and forth in the ships. It's gone here, it's come there, it's gone here, it's come there. We have the leaching, which can destroy stuff. We have the open pit mining, which can alter the environment. It can destroy the environment, basically. And any vegetation and any possible gardening things, whatever was there. But it's for a sustainable future. And EV demand continues to grow. Both fucking bullshit. And I've talked about that. But get us in an electric vehicle, they will, no matter what really is fucking going on. Because, as I stated, it is a control thing. That's all it is. It's a control apparatus. It's not saving the environment. It's not helping anybody out, and it's not sustainable. It's suppressive. That's what it is. A suppressive containment of where we want your future. And with that, at 10 minutes, I'm out. My name is Kevin Douglas Berg. I'm here to provoke thought, move humanity just a little bit. And that was our continuing segments on EVs. Highway to Hell. Let's pray this out. Pray for you, pray for me, pray for world peace. Pray for the people coming and going. Pray for those that are plane, train, automobile. Pray for those that have served, are serving, post-serving, fighting with PTSD. Pray for those that are in and out of the hospital on a better day. Pray for all doctors. Pray for all medical staff. Pray for those that are police men, police women, any firefighter men, firefighter women, all rescue, all first responders. Pray for the asshole next door. Pray for all the anti-Semites. Pray for world peace, please. And you and me. Let's pray for those that do not have the necessities to live a basic life. Hopefully tomorrow they have more place for water, they have more place for shelter, they have more food, they have more possible clothing, and they have more place to get checked out. My name is Kevin Douglas. Oh, and lavatories to go to the bathroom and shower. My name is Kevin Douglas Berg. I'm here to provoke thought and move humanity just a little bit. Thank you very much. You folks are the best.